Today, I'm going to tell you why aloo paratha breaks while making and the tips you can follow to get nicely shaped aloo paratha without breaking. Tip number one, this is care to be taken while kneading the atta. While kneading the atta, we have to always add some fat, oil, or some butter or ghee to the flour. Mix it well with your hands. Knead the atta by using lukewarm water or warm water so that the formation of gluten takes place. Knead the atta in such a way that the atta is not too hard nor too soggy but soft and pliable in nature. Next, resting the atta for 20 minutes before preparing the aloo paratha is very important. The second tip, making the filling. While making the filling, we have to take care that the potato filling does not become soggy. It becomes soggy because of two reasons. One, by directly boiling the potatoes into the water, so much so that lot of water get absorbed inside the potatoes. Second reason is when we to remove the heat after boiling the potatoes, we normally run the potatoes under the running water. It comes to a room temperature. This also should be avoided. The potatoes should cool down in a natural way, and then we have to start peeling it and making the mixture.